Advice for incoming Liberty University freshmen.
Hello, and welcome to Liberty University. If we could give you one piece of advice, we would tell you that organization is key.
The importance of organization. Staying organized allows time to be used effectively and efficiently, helps you prioritize what is important, and helps you maximize your time.
Practical tips for organization. Keep a planner with all due dates, important events, and social activities. Create class-specific folders on your computer's desktop for easy access to assignments. Consistently organize your dorm, as this decreases the presence of stress. Create an organized, consistent format for note-taking, and spend time planning your day and how you will spend your time.
In the words of Benjamin Franklin, for every minute spent in organizing, an hour is earned.
Organization. We believe that as freshmen, it is imperative that you prioritize organization as it will enhance your college experience. Good luck from Catherine, Paige, and Taylor.